Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have new seat covers for my 2021 Toyota RAV4. Let's get to it. My RAV4 is a 2021 XLE. I do not have leather seats, I have regular seats. These covers, I was testing these covers. As you can see, they look really good, they fit well, but Toyota is sideways. So I didn't like that. Good thing that I was just testing these seat covers. Now I have new ones, and before these ones the company sent these for a test. I didn't like them either. They were okay, but this is the driver's seat. After a year, this one just got destroyed, so they didn't last that long. It's driver and that's passenger on the bottom. Passenger was okay, but yeah, that one took a beating. And this is the O. This is what we put in right now from Cartrimhome. It has RAV4 like in gold or orange color. It looks really good. This is the front, this is the rear, this is the rear top, and those are the front for the bottom, and the covers for the headrest. This is a 2021 seat, and after 3 years, because they've always been having covers, they look brand new. They are brand new. I remove the old stuff, got everything out, and I'm gonna start putting the new ones. And this is the rear seat. This is how it looks from underneath, and that's how the new one is gonna go. It has all those hooks and straps everywhere. The bottom part is in. I put the straps in here. I push this part all the way in. Be careful, don't pull too hard on this plastic because you might crack it, like me right there. So if you pull too hard on it, you're gonna crack this part and it's gonna be expensive. So be careful. I push it in. Now the little pieces of like a foam, they're inside. They're gonna hold this part in place. Now I just have to push this down, put the hook underneath on that side, and it goes all the way in, and it's just the two straps. I already pulled one strap and it's secure on this side. I just need to hide the rest of this, and I gotta do the same on this one. On this one you just have to pull it inside in here, push it all the way in so it gets tied like that one. And this is the original one. It has a little hook underneath where it came from. Just put it back on that hook and installation is done. When you gotta start on the top part on the front seats, you gotta put them the right way. When you put them on, make sure that this zipper is on the outside. So if you put this one on the passenger, this zipper is gonna be on the inside, so it's not correct. It has to be on the outside. So this is the driver, that one is the passenger, and on this kit you only gonna have 4 hooks. The hooks are gonna go on the back part. So on these two you got hooks in here, so this part when it goes down on the back side is gonna hook on the bottom of the rail, and that's for these two. And for this one you just have to put one of these, put it inside, so it's gonna hold this part, which is the front part of the seat. It's gonna hold it in between the top and bottom seats. I have the hooks on, plastic retainer on. We're ready to put the driver's side. And there you have it. Push it all the way in, go around, but you need both of your hands for this job. And look at the fitment, it looks really good. Okay guys, the front one is in. I just need to give it a couple of days so those wrinkles, they're gonna go away. Fitment is great, a lot better than my other two sets. Now for the headrest, this is a lot better, 100% better. Look at the fitment. This is the old one on my other two sets. Little strap that you need to cut it to match, and you just put it on and you can see the whole bottom from the back, so it looks cheap. This one this is just 100% better. First seat is complete. Now from the back, it looks way better. Look at it. Now moving into the rear seat, it has holes for the front clip on both sides. Put these ones first and the ones for the rear. It has holes for the hooks on the rear, so both are in. Pull all your straps, get everything ready. You can see it looks really good, better than the other one, because these ones, they're gonna keep everything tight because the other one didn't have holes on the front clips. Okay guys, everything's almost together. It's 2, 3, 4, 5 straps. Before you do this one, you gotta put these hooks on it. Put this one on the strap like so, and then you put this one on the other side. Like that, you're gonna keep this side tied to it, and that's how it goes. And this is how they look 2 days after. They look good. Wrinkles, they're gonna go away. That's the rear, and they look really good, a lot better than the set that I got before. But yeah, wrinkles, they're gonna go away in, in some time. Probably in the next month, they're gonna look a lot better. And I'm gonna leave it with this. Link is gonna be in the description of this episode if you wanna get those seat covers for your RAV4. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.